All right, guys, 820 hours on the old Workmaster 75. Let's change the oil. All right, guys, I got a bunch of fluids. I'm going to change the hydraulic fluid, all the hydraulic filter, the 2 fuel filters, but right now I'm just going to do the engine oil. Give you a little perspective. See that? I think it's a Wix filter in there right now. So the fuel filter's back in there. I got to take this off, this little clip off. I can get a, like a little wrench back there, and it's in a weird spot, but we're gonna figure it out. Same side, you can see the yellow dipstick under there. So kind of in a weird spot, but right there's the 12 millimeter hex. Pop that little clip off. And I usually take one of these suckers. Now I'll try to get that wrench back in there. There we go, moving a little bit. I remember this is weird to you can get in and out of here. Okay. Clean that area up. Let's see if I can get it started. I think that's pretty good. Oh, that's not started. There we go. Okay. All right. See if we're done dripping. I'll just let her finish dripping. My 19-year-old daughter's up here. I'm gonna try to talk her into fishing that plug out. While we're waiting for it to finish draining, I'm gonna use T6 1540. I would have used 5W-40 or 10W-40, but this was on sale for $20 off, so couldn't pass it up. About done dripping. Got the dipstick out. Found them. A little bit more. All right, it's a little bit high. See if we can fill that filter up, and it should be right on. Thanks for watching, guys. Appreciate it.